Late start today, but it's even colder than yesterday. We just grew the project. That brownish guy is a 2-inch stainless through deck for the washdown, the hydraulic washdown pump. And it got installed with galvanized piping about 10 years ago. And if you can look, just about every joint is leaking. So I decided before I block it in with this pipe here, I might as well make it 100%. Either gonna go with threaded stainless or welded stainless, or maybe 2-inch schedule 80 welded pipe. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna at least get it to where I can put this guy in and have a good starting point on that end without blocking myself in. So it just grew, never ends. All right, as with stainless, it is a pain in the butt, but it's usually worth it. Obviously no thread tape or sealing on that end. I started using Rector seal and also using Teflon tape, kind of the heavy duty stuff. Usually do 3 or 4 wraps of Teflon and then a nice healthy coat of Rector seal. So getting this guy tightened up with the big ass pipe wrench. We'll see how far we go with this today. Hey, coming up the stairway. Don't want to weld and grind in the engine room, so we use our little baby chain fall. These things are perfect. It's about a 500-pound capacity. Almost like I planned it that way. Perfect. Set up to weld the 90 on. It's not going to be beautiful, but get a square on it, at least check it out. Yeah. Rough. Not bad. All right, let's throw a tack on the top. darn good. All right, we got our root pass done, and we got our poor man's welding positioner. See how this works. Pretty happy with how the poor man's welding positioner is working out. Cap is laying in there really nice. Crude, but it works. All right, let's see, how did I do? Beauty. Pretty happy. It's pretty nice. I can stay in flat position, grind out that little high spot. Beauty. We're gonna slit this guy in two, because once you get up onto the deck, we're gonna come up to this guy, because stainless lasts, mild steel doesn't. All right, pretty happy with that. Notice I've got that clamped on aluminum so I don't mar up the threads. If I was a smart man, I would buy these pre-made, but gotta make do. On to stainless. And to think I've owned this for about 2 years and had no clue what I'd ever use it for. Awesome. Piece of angle iron, poor man's lineup clamp, and tape on the threads to prevent it from getting any BBs on there. One BB and you're screwed, and then got to cut this whole thing off. Going down again. I think the chainsaw is a little rusty. I'll be back. Oh, I am not good enough to just eyeball where that should fall, where it punches through the deck, because I don't want to cut 2 holes. So I just tacked on the little stub pipe here. I know it's not going to be long enough. It's going to be close. Get this in position, and then be able to get a measurement. I was wrong. Pipe is it's actually just about the perfect length, honestly. That's what she said. So I mean, I know I'm gonna have to do some trimming. It's not gonna be perfect, but I'm gonna trace the outline of that hole, and then I will find the center of that hole, drill a pilot hole, go up on the top deck, make sure